Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video we are going over the mirror command in 123D. So I'm going to make a shape, and we can smart scale the shape. So let's do this. And then what I'm going to do is put on a box so that we can use the face to mirror it. And I will go ahead and move it over this way a bit, I guess. Alright, so we've got two solids. Or at least, we've got a solid that we're going to mirror, and then we're going to use this as a plane. I can go up to Pattern, Mirror, choose the solid, remember to choose the edge, and then for mirror plane I can choose this face, and now we have a mirrored body. This through this plane is symmetrical. It left an edge, I guess that's life, but yeah, we've got a mirrored shape. So this can be useful if you're designing something that is symmetrical. Yeah, it's used all the time in engineering, and hopefully you'll find a use for it here. All right, again, Keith from Kinvert. We went over the mirror command. This is part of our online course in 3D printing and CAD. Hope you found it useful, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.